So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. You can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand setup. Scroll down a bit. You want to find a folder right here called LAN config. If you don't have LAN config, then you want to right click on setup and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this lab config. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. We should now be in the lab config folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Now once we're in the lab config folder, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this bypass TPM check. Again, spell it the same way how I did, same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Now you want to double click on it, bypass TPM check. In this box, you want to make the value data on 1 and then click on OK. And then do the same thing. Right click on the white space, new, dword 32-bit value. Call this bypass secure boot check and then click on enter. I'll make this bigger so you can see. Again, double click on it, value data 1 and then click on OK. We're going to do it one more time. Right click on the white space, click on new, dword 32-bit value, bypass RAM check and then click on enter. Double click on it, value data on 1 and then click on OK. Next, you want to close the registry. You want to run the Windows 11 setup again, then it should be working. If it's not working, then just restart your computer. Come back into Windows 10, then you want to run the Windows 11 setup again, then it should be working for you.